We're getting ready to do another roughing job. Get some, we're gonna be running some Cat 6 cable. So a lot of locations in this house for internet, for television, for cameras also. So we're gonna get started on this. Hopefully it'll be a 2-day job at the most, and then after that, down to Miami. We're heading on down to Miami to be doing a studio, a TV studio, so that'll be pretty exciting. But we're getting ready to get started here. So that's what we got. Early in the morning, and we are on our way to Miami. Get started on a studio build. Getting ready, just got everything loaded, getting ready to get in the car, and we're gonna get on the road. On our way to Miami, and what you see there are the Florida Everglades. All right, we are here in Aventura, Florida, right? Basically Miami, Florida. We are doing, as you can see behind me, we're doing a studio build out. Reviewing our drawings for our project. Use a lot of the connections. We got to make LED screen. It might look complicated. It's not that complicated. I'll show you what we have going on here, what the brothers are working on. See Brother Chris over there. They are pulling cable through in order to, so that they can hook up their, they're gonna have a TV wall in here. And this room we're getting ready to walk in, this is going to be the studio. And you see one of our brothers, he is putting the wire, pulling the wire through.
Just a couple of years ago, they would have thrown you in jail and thrown away the key. Never see sunlight again.
Which is idolatry. Well, y'all, we are headed down to Miami to do some sightseeing. We're about we've been staying about maybe a half hour outside of Miami, and doing our project that we have going in Aventura, doing a studio build out. But now we just excuse me, we just taking advantage of today to just go out and do some sightseeing and just see some of the spectacles out here. All right. Yep. It's empty, and I didn't empty it. It was like that.
He drunk it, y'all. He drunk it all.
All the tables have it. I don't mess with this stuff no more. I don't even know what that is.
It's a shame.
Champagne. Put you in pain. With that grain, man.
And a hangover that you don't want to experience, especially if you drink a whole bottle.